Cooper here. Good morning. Today, the name of the song is Hiccup. Before we get started with the song, I'm going to ask that if you are a child, please check with your mom, dad, parent, or guardian before you view this. Not that there's anything in here that isn't appropriate, but I do want to respect the rules in your household as much as I can. And so I want to make sure your mom or dad approves of the material before you view it. So please do that for me. Thank you. Also, I want to thank you for your time, views, support, enthusiasm. I do appreciate it. And I want to ask that if you like my stuff, please share with a friend. Also, hit the like button on YouTube. If you like my stuff, that'll let me know, and I would appreciate that as well. The name of the song today is Hiccup, and of course, I'm talking about the transition from the home that we were living in, and now we're going to be living in an RV because we're hoping to soon travel, and we're trying to get adjusted to the RV before we actually hit the road. But this is a big adjustment. However, there has been a lot of wonderful things about this experience so far. One of the things is that this morning when I opened up the door and I went outside, I only had to walk maybe 200 feet, and I had a path in the woods that I could take. And so I went on a really long hike this morning, which was absolutely fabulous, and I loved every second of it. And so there's always the good with the bad, right? Okay, so because of the transition and because of the move and everything else that's been going on here, I'm going to be making some adjustments in the show, and not quite sure I got all the bugs worked out yet, and it might take a while. I'm going to ask for your patience and for your understanding, please. As I go through this. This is not easy. You know, anytime anybody moves from point A to point B, that's a challenge. But then when you add trying to reconfigure everything so that it works out the way that it did before, it's not always what you want it to be. I wish it was. I wish life was just a simple little button you can hit and go, okay, I want to change this, but everything's gonna stay the same. Huh. No, I guess you have to do what you have to do, right? So I'm gonna step away from the screen for just a few minutes. I'm gonna hit the button so that the music will play, and then I'm gonna jump back in, and Polly's gonna do the show. So hopefully you'll enjoy that. And of course, I do have the stage set behind me, and so I hope you enjoy that while I do this simple little thing. So thank you for your patience. This is just a hiccup. You'll get through. You'll get through. This is just a hiccup. You'll get through.
Thank you guys, I appreciate it.